Guys, I have been out of commission, out of metal detecting now for 3 weeks. All because I got plantar fasciitis, metal detecting. That's right. My left foot was so swollen and in so much pain, I could not get up from my bedroom to go to the bathroom. And that's a lot of pain there. I mean, it was bad, and it was from getting up and down. Take a look at this video. I mean, you can see, just like all you guys, you kneel down, you get up, you kneel down, you get up. Well, I did on that particular day in 2.5 hours, 141 times. And the pain was really so bad. My second day, which was a Tuesday back to work, I called in sick. I just couldn't go. I couldn't walk. So I went to a doctor, and the doctor diagnosed me with plantar fasciitis, did the x-rays, and I mean, it is getting better. I'm in my 3rd week, and somebody told me to put a bottle of water, freeze it first, put that frozen bottle under your foot, and just roll it back and forth. And that has helped a lot. Now I have a special boot that I've been wearing, and I mean, I've tried everything. So I know I can't be the only guy that has been metal detecting and has got this before. I don't wish it on anybody, but if you had it and you know a tip, something that can help me get over this a little quicker, hopefully I'll never get it again. But if I do, I want to be prepared because it sucks. So folks, hit me up in the comments below. Please let me know. There's no metal detecting video here. I'm just reaching out for help. And I appreciate all you guys watching and following COPTECH on YouTube, all the wonderful comments and just everything. It's going to be a great, great year. And I'm going to get over this. And when I do, I will see you on the next dig.